Hey y'all, and thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I want to show you how to get beautiful, gorgeous sails and lacing. Very simple technique, very simple formula. I am going to spin it a little bit on a cake spinner, cake turner, rotator thingy. Anyway, you don't necessarily have to spin it to get beautiful results, but I am going to use that just to see what happens. And a super simple, top secret sail activator. Oh, well, who am I kidding? It's no secret. So let's get right to it. I have my little turntable here, which is not spinning too great, but I think it's gonna, hope it'll get the job done. And I've got this little small canvas. I'm gonna be using some just titanium white with Floetrol in it as my base paint. And then I'm going to be using I want to reuse some leftover paint here, and I've got this pretty purple and this gorgeous blue, and then I'm going to use the Arteza phthalo green in the pouring acrylics. So then for my sails, I've got the titanium white with Floetrol, and I'm going to put just a couple of drops of my treadmill belt silicone, 100% silicone. So I'm just going to try to put just a couple, 1, 2, 1, 3. I think it came out a little fast, but so anyway, just got a couple of little drops there. And I've got a very small amount mixed up in this. And when I mix it thoroughly, mix that silicone really good all in there. So I'm going to start with putting my base paint down. Okay, so I've got my base, and then I'm just going to start with my purple. And in between each of my colors, I'm going to put just a couple of drops of the paint with the silicone. Now my phthalo green. And we're back to the purple. And the blue. And the phthalo green. Gotta top it with a couple more drops of the paint with the silicone. And I'm going to be using, first I'm going to use this, it's by Revlon. This is a handy dandy, really perfect size little blower here. It comes with like attachments for your hair. It comes with, you know, a brush and a dryer. It's a several in one thing, but this is the fun. Ooh, pretty colors. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get this thing to spin now. It won't, it's not a continuous. Oh yeah, look. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous sails, gorgeous lacing, pretty colors. Uh-oh, I got one little corner over here that needs to cover, so let's see if we can, just see if we can get that little corner. Oh, well, I got several corners here, but I got a lot of paint here to choose from. See if I can just zap, zap, get that corner. It's getting too slippery to even spin it. Okay, this is a fun mess, but this is just a little cake turner thing. Let me get a paper towel again. Little cake turner. Ah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. And these colors are so pretty. I actually like how it left this little solid area in there. I think that's pretty. And I'm not going to do anything else. I'm just going to see if I can touch up again these little corners that didn't seem to want to roll with the flow there. Ah, that was pretty. That was pretty cool. Again, if you want to, you can call it whatever you want, but if you want to call it a cell activator, this is my titanium white with Floetrol and treadmill belt oil or any kind of silicone, 100% silicone will work. Just a couple of drops. Now, I did place it in between each layer of each color. So this is what we got, folks, and I think it turned out pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. So y'all know I like to keep going with stuff, so this made a pretty short video per se, but just gorgeous colors. So I'm gonna leave it there. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate your likes, your views. Look forward to your comments. I hope you'll share the video, and I hope wherever you are safe, healthy, and all is well with your family. So I'll see you all next time.